up, Bella? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're here to kind of mix some of my eyeshadow palettes today. So if you guys would like to see that, stay tuned. Let's get ready to create this look. Today I'm super excited because we're going to be mixing some stuff today. I have seen this video a lot lately, and I feel like I'm the only one that hasn't done it. And it's the video that people just mix stuff. I forgot who originated it. Yeah, today I actually decided to mix all my eyeshadow palettes from Hush. I had more eyeshadow palettes. I cannot find them. I don't know where I put them, if I threw them away or what happened. So I'm actually gonna mix the 3 that I have, and also going to be mixing some of the highlighter palettes that I have from them as well. So the palettes that I'm going to be mixing today is the Aphrodite eyeshadow palette, which I do have a video using this palette. Love it. The Bad Habit Retro Love eyeshadow palette, and the Royal eyeshadow palette as well. So I'm going to be doing this like I would normally start a eye makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna take all the eyeshadow that I would normally start with, like this will be like my first shade to go on the crease to start like the blending process. So I'm gonna take all of the eyeshadows that are like I would normally use on the crease and mix them, all of them together, and then apply them onto the eye, and let's see how this comes out, you guys. So yeah, I feel like this is gonna be a little hard. Okay, so first I'm taking this Royal palette, and I'm going to be starting with the shade Opulent right here, and I'm actually going to be scraping this eyeshadow onto this little thing right here, just a little tiny bit, just to mix all of them. This is going to be really hard, you guys. Like, I don't like this process of mixing because I got to show you what I'm doing, so it's harder. So I'm taking a bit like this, you guys, because I'm gonna be adding 3 palettes, so I don't think I need that much. So let's see how this goes. Next I'm taking Retro Love, and I'm gonna be using the shade called Peace. Again, we're gonna be scraping this right on there. Next we're taking the shade Aphrodite. Not the shade, the eye palette Aphrodite, what the hell. And from this palette we're going to be using the shade Koi. This is actually harder than I thought, you guys. I don't even know how to blend this, but we just like kind of mixing them together. Okay, you guys, so I'm taking a fluffy brush like I would normally do and apply it onto the crease. Let's see how this goes. I feel like they just apply like a swatch. Everything is working fine, you guys. Everything is applying really nice, which I like. Not having any problem, any fallouts. Okay, let's go on to the next shade. I think this is good already, so yeah. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and take this shade Admire. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm gonna take the shade Flower, Admire, and Here, because those are the closest shades like to each other. I don't know, you guys, but I feel like I'm mixing some great shades here. Like, they creating some pretty colors, to be honest. I'm gonna go ahead and place this right on the crease so I can see fallout. Swatch again. You guys, these colors are pretty, but these turned out like a very pretty burnt orange shade. And in person it actually looks more pigmented than what the camera is picking it up. So I'm just reapplying that same shade, you guys, just to make sure, just to intensify the color a little bit more. Okay. Not sure how I'm feeling about this, Jesus Christ. Guys, like, what's happening? Like, it's what's the line there? I'm confused, you guys. So next I'm gonna mix this shade right here, this shade, no, this looks closer to this one, and this one. Okay, so I'm taking this darker shade, you guys, applying it onto the crease just to darken it a little bit. Is this even showing? Yeah. Ay, Dios mío. This is not going well. Like, what's happened? What is the harsh line? Oh, I forgot how much I hate that retro palette. Should I give up right now? Because this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. Wow, how did that just like, wow. Look at that, you guys, how that eyeshadow went. So beautiful. So I'm actually just going back to the previous mixture that I did first, and I'm reapplying them just to see if that will blend this out. But these eyeshadow, you guys, no, this was a bad mixture. It's just so crazy how it removed the whole like crease shade, like on both sides. Do you see that? It is so weird. So you guys, I'm actually not gonna mix any more colors just because it's so bad. Like, I cannot. I'm actually going to the shimmery shade, so I'm gonna take the greener looking shade, which is this one right here, which is called Sparks. And since this palette doesn't have any greens, I'm taking the shade Crown, and then I'm taking the shade from here, Icon. I feel like this is about to be a disaster, but we're gonna continue because we're not gonna give up. So I mixed up all my shades, and I'm gonna be applying that right. I want to like put it all over the eyelids as a cut crease. Let's see how that goes, because the color is super pretty that's coming out. Okay, so applying it with the fingers works so much better, but there is a lot of fallouts, but I love it. Yes, that's not bad, you guys. That's not bad. You can definitely see the fallouts right here, you guys, but so far so good. They're working perfectly fine. As for the crease, I feel like when you mix all these eyeshadow, they just become super weird. So yeah. And I'm actually gonna be taking this liquid lipstick to kind of like do an outline. I really want to do something different, you guys. I'm not feeling this super plain stuff, and you guys know I always go super crazy when it comes to wings. I mean, you guys, I had to spark it up somehow, right? So I feel like I didn't think this through, because these colors don't match and I don't want to mix them, the highlighter. So I'm applying a little bit of a purple highlight right on the inner corner, the tear dots, because I think it looks super cute. And now, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. My favorite lashes of all time, literally. They are so pretty. Obsessed, you guys. Like, lashes make such a huge difference. It's insane. Like, okay, you guys, so lashes are on. I like the way it's looking. And you guys, today for the first time I'm actually using these Becca products, and this is the Becca Velvet Blurry Primer, and also the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Foundation, or however you will call this. So let's see. Oh, let's rub this in with our dirty little fingers. It feels like very silky. How about I apply too much? Oh, I think this is a perfect match for me. I never tried any Becca foundation, you guys. This is literally my first time, and I'm excited. Alright. It's looking good. And next I'm taking this Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. Maybe too much? Wow, I apply a little too much. I'm also taking this Morphe palette, and this is the 9FW. And why not? Let's go ahead and contour now that we're doing this. Ooh, this concealer is pretty. Like the way it blends out, you guys. I don't know if it's the highlighter that I apply underneath, but it's like so pretty. Okay, you guys, so going back to those same shades, applying it on my lower lash. I actually didn't set my lower concealer, and look how well the eyeshadows is applying on my lower lash. Oh my god, you guys, sucks. I applied black eyeshadow by mistake. And I'm actually gonna go back with this Unicorn Glow and take the purple shade, because I really want a purpley glow. Okay, you guys, now for the lips, I think we're almost done. I'm taking this liquid lipstick by Sponge Jack. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. We're come to an end. This is the whole entire makeup look. I know this is not the best, you guys. This is probably not like something everyday wear, but I do like to kind of like get out of my comfort zone, and I like to work with color. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this mixing up my Shophush palette. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also thumb on this video to watch more videos like this.